Hi everyone, we're back here. This is Ginger Claus. We're going to play some Untitled Goose game today. Let's see. It's been a while since I played this game, but it's really fun and really relaxing. So we're going to give it a shot. This is everybody's favorite gardener. I think that's probably my favorite part of the game. It's just okay. If I can remember how to play, this would be great. Okay, so we got this. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Oh, we got the sneaky goose. Da-na-na-na-na-na, sneaky goose, sneaky goose. Now, if I can remember what I did. Let's see. Okay, well I blocked that off already. Let's go back over here. I think it's part of getting him wet. I got the radio. I think I need... Come on, goosey goose. Come on, little goosey goose. You can do it. There you go. No. Oh no, did I break it? Whoopsie. Oh yeah, we put on a blanket. We got the sandwiches here. Got the honks. You know, the important things. Don't want to forget your fruits. Gotta keep healthy. Gotta be a healthy goose. Okay, let's... I think the last time I played this, I might have locked myself out. I don't remember. I bet if I turn this... I bet if I turn this on, it'll be fun. Gonna mess with the gardener. Let's see if I can get back in here. Okay, perfect. Can I be a naughty goose yet? Now I gotta get the keys back, because I have to get that gate open. Let me check that gate, actually. Okay. Oh, good, it's open. Where is he? Should I close it? Yeah, I think I should close it. I got him! Oh no, he's got keys. Oh no. I thought I was clever. Yeah. Gotta get those keys. Go, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get those keys, old man. I'm just a little goose. I'm not doing nothing. Hey! Honk, honk, honk. That is not nice. Oh, you be quiet. You be quiet, old man. What's this? Can I take this? This is mine now. Oh, nope, nope. This is mine. Nope. Mine. Thank you. That is mine now. This is mine, honk, honk. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but... Oh, what happened? What happened? Did you lose something? Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to turn the radio off because now he knows. Okay. Bring that picnic basket over here. Some honk honks. Aggressive. Honk 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 honk. Honk 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 honk. I bet this is why this goose are in real life. Because like, so mean. What's up? Wanna fight? Wanna fight, bro? Huh? Wanna fight? Huh? 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 Yeah. They said. Oh no, I told you. Oh no, you're gonna do it. What you gonna do about it, huh? That's mine. I'm not doing nothing. I gotta get those keys. Come on, bro. Ah, what you gonna do, buddy? No, 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 ah, ah. Got your keys. I get the gate closed. Come on. Gotta beat him there. Oh, are you locked out? Oh no, what happened to your keys? Fight me! Oh, I got your keys, I got your keys, old man. Haha. Well, I'm gonna leave it here for today, guys. Let's see next time if he can get his keys back. See you later.